Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of Morgan's friends. Um, Today is the last video in our series on Python, Introduction to Python. And then we're going to get into some more fun stuff. But we have to do this last little bit just to get it over with to say that we've covered everything. Okay? And this is going to talk about how you set up one of these viral environments that we talked about in the last video. But I'm not going to do an example to show you how to do that because I like my box setup just the way it is. I don't need to split it up into different viral machines. And I'm afraid that if I tried, I wouldn't be able to undo it. So we're just going to read it and look at the examples. And then we're going to call it a day. All right? All right. So with that, let's get this reading done.
Creating virtual environments. The module used to create and manage virtual environments is called venv. Venv will usually install the most recent version of Python that you have available. If you have multiple versions of Python on your system, you can select a specific Python version by running Python 3 or whichever version you want. To create a virtual environment, decide upon a directory where you want to place it, and run the venv module as a script with the directory path. Python 3.
All right, and that's the code that you use.
This will create the tutorial env directory if it doesn't exist, and also create directories inside it containing a copy of the Python interpreter, the standard library, and various supporting files. A common directory location for a virtual environment is .venv. This name keeps the directory typically hidden in your shell and thus out of the way while giving it a name that explains why the directory exists. It also prevents clashing with .env environment variable definition files that some tooling supports. Once you've created a virtual environment, you may activate it.
All right, and here's how you activate it on Windows and then on Unix or Macs. Okay? All righty, let's drop down to this last little bit.
Activating the virtual environment will change your shell's prompt to show what virtual environment you're using, and modify the environment so that running Python will get you that particular version and installation of Python. For example,
there's the example. Boy, this stuff sure does sound complicated. My suggestion to you is don't have anything to do with virtual environments unless someone puts a gun to your head. And with that, we're done. We've run through 95 videos together. Congratulations. Now, let's go off, have fun, and we'll start something new tomorrow.